Sure bafethu. Welcome to Omni Audio Africa. Ukhuluma no Lerato la your boss lady bafethu. Today guys sizokhuluma about ama transfer ku PSL, sizokhuluma about abu coaches bafethu abathola ama opportunity abroad. Sizokhuluma ngomdudu sishabalala, sizokhuluma ngoNdlovu, sizokhuluma ngoBennett Parker bafethu. That's izinto sokhuluma nazo namhlanje. Ngicela ukuthi bafethu ngakhohlwa ukuthi nisilandele kuma socials wethu and then ni comment lapho bafethu nisitshela ukuthi nicabangani about le topic namhlanje. Umuntu okay?
Kishap Lerato, my sister kunjani?
Ngimnandi wena. Unkulu mnandi wena.
Mnandi, can't complain. Welcome to Omni Audio, Gulisok, the face
of South African football. Niyazi nani bafethu. So guys, please ngicela ukuthi ningije nalapha kuma social media sizofunda ama comment wenu sinizwe ukuthi nani cabangani. Umuntu bafethu nayi indaba la. Sinabo coaches abathola opportunity manje nazi ukuthi mancoba ngithi uyahamba uyo coacha i-team lese Tanzania, you got an opportunity. We have Ulani, you coach Pyramid, you got Steve Barker, nazi ukuthi Simba Veltale coach. So why do you think about abo coaches bethu mabathola lama opportunities, because thina sikhule sazi ukuthi abo coaches bethu la eSouth Africa ababanki serious wabo. So for now I feel gore bo coaches ba beile ba re ile mepong e re ke bele jwalo. So what do you think about bo coaches ba bathola opportunities? So e be ya betu premiership ya rona to another level or rona kana
Ibeka bona to another level, not our league.
Not our league.
Because it's not like Roland Mokwena maka coach Libya abantu base league be abathi Tisbeg PSL.
But those coaches are they used to coach in our Betway Premiership.
So what I'm saying is now for now, I don't think it's helping Bolo ya Rona as South Africa ukuthi bahambe bayo coach outside, but it's helping them as coaches ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukurespect ama coach ase South Africa ukuthi okay bakhona ama coach e South Africa bakwazi ukwenza izinto ezi right. But also you look at their journey bonke ever since bahambile, only Pitso Mosimane has been successful probably. Laba abanye they hopping from one team to the next because ba struggle as ning onodula 6 months, oludula 3 months, omunye udula 1 week, omunye wetsa what. Personally I don't think every coach that comes from South Africa should be coaching outside of South Africa.
Why?
Khona le batho ba bang that are meant specifically for local football, that understand South African football better than any other football emhlabeni. I'll use Rulani Mokwena as an example. The biggest mistake Rulani Mokwena ever made for me was assuming the role of being a head coach. That's the biggest mistake he made, go carrying a high. And I'm saying this because very successful as an assistant coach under Pitso Mosimane. Siyamazi when he's that guy olegelela a coach, uyakwazi ukuthi abonise coach indlela. Not everyone is supposed to be a king. Not everyone is supposed to lead. Abanye abantu mele ba follow, abanye abantu yibe kumele ukuthi babe i hand of the king, as they would say go Game of Thrones. Ke na fang Khaleesi the advice for no, don't go to war Skaya so I think Rulani Mokwena is that type of person. If you look at how he's done ever since ahambile la ku PSL, he hasn't been successful since she PSL Rulani Mokwena. He hasn't produced a superstar ever since he left the PSL. We look at Morocco, he didn't produce a superstar. But in South Africa, he produced a lot of superstars. Egonal player telling Rulani Mokwena ke na bankileng and put them on the map. Bebashi sabu mudiba, but under Rulani Mokwena, he became an even better player. So mangoba mngita I'm also worried.
Why?
I'm also worried. Jangwa Bahamba, he's never been tested at that level, and he's going ko leaking eling man la pena. It's demanding. It's result driven. Asiko Lenaros. Result driven. Go Lenaros, they still consider him a successful coach. No manga letangi kapeli one this season. He's successful because Usipusi and Dandlov.
Yeah, and maybe look was because of patient. You kill about Papa patient okay, maybe a billion or stuff. Really get to the result and that's it.
So now, honestly, I don't think sometimes every coach wants that sometimes Mele now is a coach man. Why instead of Ugiale, why ngatati Kruger ni winisi league? Instead of Ugiale, why ngatati Milford ngiqede number 2? You know, instead of Ugiale, why don't I take Ichomo Cosmos ngibuyise ku PSL ngibuyise isithunzi sabo nan. And I think it's people like Benny McCarthy that are meant for coaching outside of the continent. Pitso Mosimane. For me, their understanding of football is different to these other guys, and leadership style sabona is different to these other guys. Uyazi nkululeko my brother, once mina ngaqala angengiqede kahle kahle kumele ngibe umfundisi onesonto.
Amen bazalwane. Ngiyamuzwa Lerato. So question yakho interesting because baninga ocoach abahamba la eSouth Africa. Rulani Mokwena njengoba shilo Ibrahim Mdudu uthi Rulani Mokwena bafetha akekho super powerful, akekho strong, but ke uyawathola ama opportunities. Inhlanhla iseside lakhe ulaphana ku pyramid sombona ukuthi uzo achieve success because masibheka izinto zaka Rulani Mokwena ziningi kakhulu esibonayo. Okay, we've been impressed ngoRulani Mokwena kuma Mamelodi Sundowns because bekana everything bebamnike 100 million budget ukuthi athole wonke ama player awafunayo. But manje uya kwamanye ama teams la last khona I mean not even 6 months isekahambile yabo but iPyramids team demanding team ene budget eserious sobona ukuthi uzokwazi ukudeliver ama results because it failed eLibya ku-MCL Jebe kazowina ileague but failed ku-Champions League failed ku-Wydad Casablanca Mamelodi we failed ku-Orlando Pirates failed ku-Chippa United so that guy is not a well asimhlonipheni ngoba coach wase South Africa but coach base South Africa baya abroad you look at Eric Tinkler good coach but ke naye South Africa mina ucoach ama teams lawa amancane akuna pressure kakhulu yabo bamxoshe kuSikhukhune United lo muntu lo bamxosha ku Cape Town City but kuyo coach team yase Ghana I mean banemali yonke ngisho iking yakhona inamagolide ngithi uAsante so una everything I think kwe Ghana maybe khona into angabanika yona but sobona ukuthi ku Cape football uzo deliver or ngeke deliver then khona abo coach what I'm looking forward to see ama coach ase South Africa adlala iDerby lapha eTanzania uBhaka noManqoba Mnqithi Manqoba Mnqithi ngiyazi ukuthi une style esigude esi-interesting uyakwazi une philosophy oyibonayo na ukuthi iyaphila uma umbukele makafika eteamini but kuzokwazi ukuhandle ipressure eTanzania because he's coaching one of the biggest teams in fact iYanga neSimba iDerby those are two biggest teams and
like Pirates and Chiefs
yes and coach base South Africa interesting times lapha neEast Africa so bona and banayo yonke imali because even njengoba ubona ama players eSouth Africa manje eTanzania manje because even when you see the salaries zabo Salum lo bekafuna iKaizer Chiefs ayathusa like ama salaries wamanye ama players over 500,000 yabo so opportunity for ama South African coaches ukuthi akwazi ucoacha but akusho ukuthi if umdu ube yisuccess as uPitso Msimane nawe uzoba kanjalo yabo hlala kuma Rumo Gallants mfethu but yazi into engiyithandayo lama opportunities ocoach abawatholayo ukuthi South Africa bo coach bayabacindezela mfethu baba like ngathi babenzela ifavor yabo noma ugood bayakwazi ukupressa bakucindezela so it's better if globally kunama opportunities for bona ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola imisebenzi kwezinye indawo hayi ukuthi ngosama aguqe ngamadola afane no PhD yabo but ke shout out to bonke abo coach abahambile
so just to add something okay uBradley Canelo lena wa coach ko USA team ya high actually faded to number 1 last season but they couldn't win the league because of the system ya playoffs America bacanga ukuthi yonke into basketball banana this system
le playoffs
yeah so that's how he lost the league and I think the biggest issue here with our South African coaches, a lot of them want to adapt to style of coaching philosophy of a lot of European coaches. Urulani Mokoena started feeling the scatters into Pep Guardiola. Wabona that moment, that picture.
Ulindo Pep. Inte one. Ageke ayikho into entsezana.
Athi unkofazi.
Akhophe uPep. Ithombe sakhe aguqe njengo Pep Guardiola. Yila Urulani Mokoena
abafana
kimo lena.
Akekho umnandi nyani
ngikhumbula no Pitso Mosimane kunalabo nokubona sama lesikhathi uJose Mourinho akhotha iReal Madrid. Bona ukubona ukuthi in terms of behavior and attitude ukuthi inspiration isuka kuphi yabo. There's nothing wrong with looking up to someone but the moment now so zama kuzenza loyo muntu and we all know ukuthi now enkulu nasingakuthatha sa coach Sundowns you'll win the league because anything you want Sundowns yakupha
ngeke ngishawe Orbit College
ngeke ushawe Orbit College so for mina iCV yako Sundowns that shouldn't really carry that much weight because number 1 siyazi ukuthi financially basharp bazokusayinela any play olufuna mangahamba manje wathi ufuna istrike ezilalela iMadrid iSundowns ingayenza iplan but now ngomthatheni you understand so someone like Eric Tinkler Lerato for me is a coach I believe can do well go Africa. Uthathe Orlando Pirates wayifikisa ku final le CAF Confederations Cup. Under Busfiso Mini nabo banibani when he took over from Roger Desai if I'm not mistaken. Ukila adlala final. So yena at least knowledge experience aku compete mole and we saw season mayiqala bekayenza neSikhukhune United. It's just unfair ukuthi iSikhukhune bebangana patience for yena. Kube bamdedelile waqhubeka another season because he was coming right and shout out to him. Ufihlile mola bona ubolinga mtambo sekhathele yabona ithingenze izinto ezintsha yabo and he had to improvise. Ufika bokeletso makhawula sebakhulile. He had to improvise ukuthi okay ngidlale ngalokho enginako abo Bradley Grobler babahulu bathu bale.
But don't you think ukuthi labo coach lawa they go there because of money because nafu uRulani ngifuna ukuthi ulandelele imali. It's not about career high. Because out of most of the teams take off like coach them to go a failure for me. So to say that, so I think maybe it's because of Kichalete or what Lenakana. Because there's no way who coach me to coach team 6 months more, 3 months more, and then
yes,
and the person who cut an CV never someone to that level in Rambono Mam Louis Sundowns because it went to a hurry and even other teams they're going to be afraid to Bamkash because Agalasti. We understand Agalasti. So I think it's because of my own Kabangan. for na
uPitso Msimane wa reject i-offer ukuthi aye eLibya bekane chance ukuthi aye eLibya because uyazi ukuthi akunabhola lapha yabo bashisa imoto egroundini straight so akunabhola akuna security tough ibhola lakhona labhetha but uRulani Mokwena why I think inkinga ke manje esinayo lana ukuthi ama teams waseLibya aholela ama player nabo coach 40 million a year so think about le nto leyo mntu nama would go for eLibya but if uRulani Mokwena unemali enough ayenza ko Sundowns nakwamanye ama team bekungamelanga yelapha if yena usatha nje uPep Guardiola ngeke aye kwamanye ama teams wabonayo na ukuthi ayilawa anayo imali but uyabona ukuthi ngeke amnike something yabo yeah kubuse Saudi ngabe kudala so I think nabo coach abo Rulani Mokwena but so team bafethe at the end of the day banemindeni nabo kumele baphile right so thina singajudge ukujaja but hayi 40 million ngenyanga
asiyikwalata bayirulani don't you think uwela mule for Chelet na I think so full
I mean it's let's you see as uNkulu yashilo who watches football mina bengazi nokuthi Libya inabhola number 1
basazugarafu
so I didn't even know ukuthi nabanali bolo but obviously Rulani Mokwena wile molo number 1 for Chelet but also it's the arrogance ukusaba ukubuya ekhaya fana nomjito bekahlale lokushini athutha ayohlala emasababsini so manje lo mjito lona seka desperate for anything ezayo ukuthi hey bonke zingingabuyeli elokushini you understand
so that's why athaba ngukhukhutha gore batho ba tloring
Rulani Mokwena nonetheless Rulani Mokwena for me is a good scout and he's a good analyst akishoka coach
ugood because bengikhuluma nelinye iplayer lisho ukuthi ama stats wama player wazi wonke angaba good ezi analyst
yakhumbula noSifiso mina washo ukuthi wambizela ama stats wakhe ebhuqwini
so coach ukhwaphala makane
I don't necessarily think that he's a coach for me he's more of an analyst than a coach and ama results wakhe everywhere he's gone you wasitshela ukuthi lo muntu lona is an analyst not a coach lama league awawinile bafethu ifilosophy kaPitso it was still a Pitso Mosimane project. Everyone had to ride la Pitso Mosimane project. So and also he had manqoba mnqithe eduzane naye manqoba mnqithe ukuthi you understand kangcono ibhola.
Okay, gents, I Rulani ra ikwala.